Minister Narendra Modi has added another feather to his hat. Today, he has completed 4,078 days in office, which is the second longest consecutive stint as Prime Minister. He surpasses Indira Gandhi, who had remained in office for 4,077 straight days from 1966 to 1977. The BJP hailed the achievement, recalling the nearly 24-year journey of the Prime Minister as head of a democratically elected government at the state and central level. Let's in fact take you through what really makes Narendra Modi's tenure as Prime Minister even more remarkable. Let's take you through the list that BJP cites is an achievement. The first and the only Prime Minister born post-independence. He is the longest-serving non-Congress Prime Minister. Longest-serving Prime Minister from a non-Hindi state. First non-Congress Prime Minister to complete 2 full terms. First non-Congress Prime Minister to be re-elected twice. Longest-serving head of an elected government. The first non-Congress leader to win Lok Sabha majority on own. First since Indira Gandhi to be re-elected with majority. Only Prime Minister except Nehru to win 3 straight Lok Sabha polls. And the only leader to win 6 consecutive polls as party head. Now, while the BJP is highlighting Modi's record as PM as an achievement, the opposition has mocked the milestone. The opposition says it should be remembered for the suffering people have faced over the past 11 years.
देखिए, प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी का नेतृत्व जो है उस पे सबको गर्व है और नेतृत्व में जो गुण होना चाहिए वो भरोसेमंद हो, लोकप्रिय हो, विश्वसनीय हो, बड़े से बड़े निर्णय लेने वाला हो और त्यागी और तपस्वी हो। ये सभी के सभी जो गुण हैं माननीय प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी में सभी देशवासियों को देखने को मिलता है और इसी के कारण है कि प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में भारत निरंतर आगे बढ़ रहा है। चौथी अर्थव्यवस्था बन गया है। विश्व की सबसे तेज गति से चलने वाला तीसरी बार 3 साल लगातार अर्थव्यवस्था बना है, चौथी साल में चलेगा। तो एक नेतृत्व में यही गुण होना चाहिए कि वह हम सब जब देखते हैं कि प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी का नेतृत्व सर्वगुण संपन्न है। सारे के सारे जो गुण है जो नेतृत्व में होना चाहिए उससे बढ़कर के प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी में के नेतृत्व में सबको देखने को मिलता है।
Prime Minister became the longest consecutive serving Prime Minister today. How do you look at that?
India is suffering. Youth are suffering. Unemployment has risen. विकास